Founded in London circa 1860, Bravingtons Ltd established itself as one of the city's most respected horological retailers. Rather than manufacturing their own movements, they acted as expert curators and assemblers. The inscriptions on their dials, King's Cross and Ludgate Hill, served as a hallmark of prestige, identifying their primary locations, the Pentonville Road headquarters and their luxury showroom near St. Paul's Cathedral. The brand's excellence relied on a successful Anglo-Swiss partnership. Bravington sourced high-grade mechanical movements from renowned Swiss houses such as Revue, Cyma, and Record, housing them in robust British cases, most notably those produced by the Dennison watch case company. This combination of precision and durability made them a trusted choice for both civilians and the military. During World War II, Bravington's reputation for reliability led to significant contracts with the British War Office. Today, many of their surviving pocket watches are prized by collectors for their G.S.T.P. General Service Trade Pattern markings, proving their service as official military timepieces. More than just a watch, a Bravingtons remains a testament to the golden age of London's retail horology and a symbol of enduring mechanical craftsmanship.